dear learners, as you know that we were doing our practice book. Here we have done one of the topic there, that is your naming words. Now today we are going to move towards the second topic. But before moving towards the second topic, I want to do some activity with you. Let's do that activity first of all. See here I'm having slips with me. Okay, and in this slip some of the words are written. What I will do, I will put the words which is known to me in the known one place and the words which I do not know, so I will put those words in the unknown there. Okay, so let's do. See here, first of all I have given Ravi here. Ravi is the name of the river. Okay, that is in Chamba. Okay, so that I will put in your known one because it is your special naming word. Okay, next I'm having yellow slip here. Here I written I there. Okay, so exactly what it is I don't know, so I will put in your unknown place there. Next I'm having Yamuna. It is your special naming word, that will be in your known place. We, again I don't know what exactly it is, so I will put in the unknown one. Rupali is there. Rupali is the name of your teacher, that is me. Okay, so I will put this name in my known place because it is your special naming word. Next I'm having you. I don't know what it is. City I know, so I will put in the known. She, I don't know. He, I don't know. Okay, DAV is the name of your school, so I'm putting in your known one place. Okay, toys is there, that is your known word which is your naming word. Next I'm having they and it there. So see, these are the words there written in the slips. The words which I know, that I put in the known one place because these are your naming words, but the words given in the yellow slip I don't know what they are exactly, so I have put in the unknown place there. So today we will know what these unknown words are known as. Okay, so let's know more about these unknown words. See, the words which are unknown to us that we have done in the activity, all those words are known as your replacing words. Okay, this is the topic that we are going to do today. This topic is related to unit number 2nd of your PB there. Let's know more about these replacing words. See, the definition of replacing words is words that are used in place of naming words are called your replacing words. Okay, means whatever the words I have told, like I, me, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, all those words are your replacing words, and those words we will use in place of naming words there. Okay, the other name for your replacing word is your pronouns. Clear? So that is about the definition of the replacing words. Now next thing comes there, that is about the identification of the replacing words. So let's do that thing first of all. See, the words I have shared with you, that are I, we, you, he, she, it and they. But beside these words we also have some other replacing words, and they are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Okay, keep all these words in your mind. These all words are your replacing words, which we are going to identify in the paragraph there. Let's do that paragraph. See, in this question we have given that extract is there from the passage C2, the canary of my English reader. What we have to do, we have to underline the replacing word given there. So let's do the lines there. Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Look at the line there. Here I have found him and his there. Okay, these are the two words which are related to your replacing word there. In the next line we have Somu named her Molly. Here her is given. Okay, that is also related to your replacing words. Clear? In the same way, we'll solve the next paragraph also. I hope this introduction as well as identification of replacing word is clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you.